The Art of War, Chapter 11, The 9 Situations, Part 2 of 14, Dispersive Ground.
I quote, "When a chieftain is fighting in his own territory, it is dispersive ground. On dispersive ground, I would inspire my men with unity of purpose."
What does it mean in the modern world? On dispersive ground, the commitment is weak. Sun Tzu understood that if an army divided internally, they cannot fight effectively externally. This is because people retreat mentally when they feel they still have easy escape routes. The modern version of dispersive ground is everywhere, such as teams without shared purpose, businesses without clear vision, relationships without commitment. Everyone is physically present, but mentally prepared to leave. In these situations, forcing aggressive action usually fails, as alignment has not been built first. Strong leaders should understand that commitment comes before strategy. Unity comes before execution. Strong leaders create shared purpose before demanding performance, because they understand when people truly commit, hesitation disappears.
Now, these are your follow-up actions. Before committing to any team, project, or goal, check alignment. If commitment is weak or unclear, do not push execution yet. First, build shared purpose. Without alignment, effort will always scatter.
Subscribe for more.